A campfire at the water's edge is an event and a signal, a celebration that provides warmth and comfort, extending the setting sun and pushing back the cool night air. Campfire embodies the essence of journey and travel, serving as a beacon for contemplation. The spirit of this artwork helps one find their place in time and space. This iconic waterfront landmark and gathering place fosters community engagement and participation that unite and raise awareness of our heritage, highlighting the power of the present to embrace the significance of the future. With gratitude, we honor and acknowledge the indigenous peoples who have cherished and protected this land for generations.